power our grid. And this right here is the billion-dollar question. It's the fundamental challenge. Solar panels are, kind of useless at night, and wind turbines don't do much on a calm day. This up and down nature, this intermittency, has always been the Achilles heel of green energy, and it creates a massive headache for the people trying to keep our lights on.
I mean, just imagine trying to play catch, but the ball changes speed and direction with absolutely no warning. That's pretty much the job of a grid operator right now. A big cloud rolls in, and solar power just plummets. An unexpected gust of wind sends a huge surge of power into the system. It's this constant, high-stakes guessing game, and if you guess wrong, you get blackouts.
But what if you could take off the blindfold? What if you could see what was coming, even just a few hours into the future? Well, this is exactly where AI comes into the picture. It's giving us the foresight we've so desperately needed. It is literally removing the blindfold.
This is this constant loop of learning and getting better. So first, the AI just ingests a ton of historical data, weather reports, satellite images, and the actual energy output from a solar or wind farm. Then it gets trained to find all the hidden patterns. How does a 5-degree temperature drop plus a 10% increase in cloud cover actually affect power generation? Finally, it makes its predictions, we test them again.
And to really get where we're going, you have to see where we've been. This chart from a study in Scientific Reports shows this absolutely incredible journey. Back at the turn of the millennium, the whole world had just over 1 gigawatt of solar PV capacity. By 2022, that had exploded to over 1,000 gigawatts.
But here's the crazy part. It turns out that was just the warm-up act. That same study used AI models to look ahead, and the forecast is, it's staggering. The growth curve doesn't just keep going up, it basically goes vertical.
Right there is why these forecasts are so incredibly important. As the researchers put it, solar isn't just part of the solution, it's a cornerstone. Having reliable long-term predictions, you absolutely need both. Think of it this way. The long-term forecasts are for the architects and city planners, shaping policy for decades. But the short-term forecasts, those are for the air traffic controllers, looking just a few hours ahead to make those critical, real-time decisions that balance the grid and decide when to fire up a backup power plant. Or, more importantly, when they don't have to.
And wow, are these short-term models getting accurate? This table comes from a study in Saudi Arabia that compared a few different AI models. Just think of that R-squared score as a grade out of 100, where 100 is a perfect A+. You can see right away that the XG Boost model